Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small Sephora haul. There was some Wednesday sale last week, so I purchased few products and it came yesterday in the mail, so here it is. And there was also, if you purchase products above 550, you will get a Sephora must-have box. Let's get started. First, I purchased the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze. This was in the limited edition packaging. This was the Fantastic. This has a universal shade. It is huge and it has rose gold packaging. This was from their coconut collection. So this is the packaging and the pan size is huge. I mean, it is almost half the size of my face and it smells like coconut. Really, it smells really nice. So I purchased this and it will last me a very long time. This was only in the limited edition packaging, and that is why I think it was on sale. This is the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops. This is also in the limited edition packaging. This is Fantasy. I don't think this is the original one. The original one is more of a golden champagne color. This is more of rose gold color. But this is good to mix with your foundation, and even if you want a luminous finish, you can apply it with your foundation or below your foundation. And this has a pump. The packaging is also rose gold and it has a glass bottle. So that, and all these products was for 50% off, so I got it for half the price. Then I purchased these two lip glosses. These are not limited edition, they are already in their collection. So this is the packaging. It is so pretty, and I have here, they are really comfortable and they are really good, so I purchased two of them. I purchased the shade 328 Some Girls. So this is more of a pinky corally color. It is really nice. And this is the shade 312 Sugar Sugar. This is your everyday nude color. I'll just swatch it for you guys. They feel really nice, and they are opaque lip gloss. They are not the sheer ones. So if you want, you can also pair it just with a lip liner. So this pinky one is Some Girls and the nude one is Sugar Sugar. Then I have 6 of the eye crayons. 5 I have the matte eye crayon, and only 1 I have the gel eye crayon. I purchased with the ones which were on sale, so I think I got these for around 55 dirhams. It was for 110, I got it for 55. So this is the Marc Jacobs Highliner. This is gel eye crayon. This is in the shade 70 Marigold. So this is the packaging. This is more of a golden color. It is a twist up, so that is really nice. So this is the shade Marigold. It is a nice golden color. Then I have the Marc Jacobs matte eye crayon. First I have the shade 59 Pink of Me. I've purchased this because these are really good if you're doing colorful looks. So this is more of a baby pink, white based pink, milky pink. It is more kind of milky pink and it is really light. So this is the shade. I don't know if it is looking pink in the camera, because in my screen it is looking really white, but this is more of a white based pink, so that is why it is looking that way. Then I have 63 grape wine. This is the more purple shade, so this is the purple grape wine color. Then I have the shade 49 popular. This is more of a dark pinky rosy color. This is really nice, this pink color. They also have lip liners in the same packaging. Even they were on sale, but this was more accurate and it can be used in my eye looks. Then I have the teal color. This is in the shade Whirlpool. This is a nice teal blue color. They didn't have any blue shades or mostly green shades on sale. So then I have the last one, Mist Me. It is not Miss Me, it is Mist Me. This is light purple lilac color. This is the shade. So these were the products which I purchased in the Marc Jacobs sale. Then I got the must-haves box. They have really cute things. I have already opened up and seen. They are so cute. First of all, I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. My things are falling down. I'll just tear off. This is the packaging. It is so cute. It is so small. Then I got the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So I got the leave-in conditioner spray. This is a nice good size. Then I got the Sephora Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. Then I got the Origins. This is the charcoal mask. Nice size. You can use it for around 4 to 5 times maybe. Then I got the Too Faced Mattifying Soft Focus Finish Primer. This was from their Peach collection. Then I got Clarins Gentle Foaming. I got the Clarins Gentle Foaming Cleanser with cottonseed. It is for normal and combination skin. So this is also a really nice size. Then I got one more of the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I have, I think, 3 of these. This is a nice mini size. Even before a few months back I had purchased stuff. Then I got the must have and I got the Kat Von D eyeliner. Then I got the Commodity Gold perfume. In the last Sephora haul I also got the same perfume, but that was a different one. This is the Commodity Gold. This is the packaging. It is a really nice big size. Then I got the Kilian. I don't know how to pronounce it. Kilian. This was the new perfume. So I got the travel size. I don't think this is a travel size. Yeah, I think it is a travel size. This is the bottle. So the Commodity one is so big and the Kilian one is so small, so you can see the size difference. Then I got these two cute lipsticks, so cute. First I got the Marc Jacobs lip cream. I got the shade Slow Burn. Oh my god, this is so cute. If compared to a normal lipstick, if this is the normal lipstick size, this is the Marc Jacobs small size, which I got in the must-have box. This is in the shade Slow Burn. Nice everyday muted rosy pink shade, my color. Then I don't have any Marc Jacobs lipsticks. These were the first lip gloss that I purchased, and I got this one in the must-have box. Then I got the Tom Ford lip color in the shade 03 Casablanca. The packaging is really cute, exact packaging of their actual size lipsticks. This is also, these shades are similar to each other, but I think the Tom Ford one is a bit darker. This is also everyday pinky nude rosy color, really nice, and it smells really nice. I think that is all what I got in the must-have box. Yeah guys, if you like my video, please like and share my video. Also guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you want the makeup details, it will be listed in the description below. And if you want a tutorial, it will be up on Instagram on this look in a few days. So if you're interested, you can go there and watch the video. The username, the everything is listed in the description below, so you can check it out. And guys, please like. And guys, so guys, I aim to get 1000 subscribers in few months so that I can do a giveaway. So guys, please help me and help me achieve my goal. I am planning to do 5 days instead of 3 days per week, maybe from next week. So guys, keep on watching, and until next time, bye.